Have you ever tried uploading a video to Instagram and it just looked straight trash? It was pixelated, it was unclear. Well, let's fix that for you. Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. My name is Corey from CNS Media, and today we're going to be talking about the best export settings in Premiere Pro for Instagram. When it comes to exporting your videos for the gram, there's a few key settings that you need to keep in mind. So let's dive into it. First, you'll want to make sure that your sequence settings match your footage. This means that checking your resolution and aspect ratio are compatible with Instagram's requirements. The maximum resolution for Instagram is 1080 pixels wide. They offer various sizes like 4x5, 1x1, and 16:9, so you want to make sure your sequence settings match these. Let's talk about frame rate. You'll want to export your video at whatever frame rate matches your sequence. The standard frame rate that Instagram widely accepts is 30 frames per second. I personally find that it plays smoother than other frame rates, but with that being said, I mainly use 23.97 as my go-to frame rate. And now, you'll want to choose the right export settings. For Insta, you'll want to use the H.264 codec with a high bit rate. This will ensure that your videos look sharp and clear on the grid. This is a widely used format that Instagram accepts. To cut down on exporting time, in the encoding settings, click Hardware Encoding on the Performance drop-down menu, if your computer allows it. To further cut down the file size and retain the highest quality image, in your bitrate settings under the Bitrate Encoding drop-down menu, select Variable Bitrate 1pass. Change your target bitrate to 30, and that should drastically bring down your file size. Now you're probably thinking, I don't want to go through this whole order and do this every single time, so let's make this a preset. To save these settings as a preset, hit the three dots by the preset drop-down menu and select Save Preset and title it Export for Instagram. And there you have it, the best export settings for Instagram in Premiere Pro. And if you learned anything new from today's tutorial, please like, comment, and subscribe, as I'll be releasing some new videos in the near future. And as always, I'll catch you in the next one.